Hi, it's Larita Devi, and I am a Pillai Center teacher and Astroved astrologer. I want to teach you today how to honor Ganesha, a most benevolent celestial being. He celebrated his birthday on August 25th, and that started Ganesha Chaturthi. It was the fourth moon, but he remains on the earth plane for about 10 days after that. This year 11 days, so an even longer time for you to receive miracles. And people bring Ganesha home on his birthday and then honor him for the entire time. And here's how you can do that. Offer flowers or flower petals. I put some here. Like, you can say a mantra, and his sounds are Om Gam, that's the easy one. Om Gam. And also you can use the flower with it, so Om Gam becomes more powerful. You can also say Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So we offer flowers first, and after the flowers we offer incense, a candle, or a ghee lamp. And you can also offer some sweets. He loves laddus, but those are a little hard to find in the US, so you can offer a cake, some cookies, or any other sweet, chocolate. And so offer all these items, and maybe you can offer some water. You can also bathe him and offer a coconut, actually coconut water, or the actual coconut. You can just go like this and put it in front of the altar. And some people cut it in half, so the juice that comes out is very special to Ganesha. And then you can pray and ask for higher intelligence. These are his domains. Higher intelligence, and also he can remove all kinds of obstacles, whether you see them or not. He can help you with that. And so being an archetype, he changes your brain. This book, I love this book. It's, I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it's written by two neuroscientists, and they say that when you connect with a higher being and you pray to this being, you visualize this being, so in this case an elephant-headed being, Ganesha, your brain will change and you will tap into different parts of the brain, and that will make you more compassionate, at least, and that's the least that can happen. And also literally you will have higher intelligence. So in a nutshell, that's how you can honor Ganesha and keep him as a special guest, as I said, and expect miracles. And share your testimonials, because we love to hear your miracles, and lots of people share Ganesha miracles. For example, my son once was playing music, and the day before, actually 2 days before, I ordered a special homa to Ganesha in my son's honor for his birthday. And also that day, as he was playing, a huge speaker fell from the wall on his head. And I believe that Ganesha saved his life, because the speaker was over 75 pounds. And he only got a headache, a little bit of a sore neck, that's it. Nothing happened, nothing serious. So I believe Ganesha saved his life and saved his head at the very least. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I wish you many miracles. Thank you so much for watching.